Now, molding your own blocks could be very stressful. Would you consider buying your own blocks from the block factory? Okay, I understand, but let's check the cost in both cases. I'll check for buying your own blocks.
And I'll check the cost of molding your own blocks on site.
We'll consider a very known location in Accra. Let's say Tema, Community 25. To mold 1,400 pieces of 5-inch blocks, we'll need a trip of sand, which is averagely 3,000 cedis, including the cost of transportation. Then we'll need 40 bags of cement. So one bag of cement is approximately 100 cedis currently, as I'm doing this video. So 40 bags of cement will be the 40 times 100, making 4,000 Ghana cedis. Now, to check the cost for labor, the block molders charge according to the number of bags of cement they mold the blocks. So if you mold one cement bag, it charges 40 cedis, which is equivalent to 35 to 40 bags of 40 pieces of 5-inch blocks. So if you mold 1,400 blocks, he's going to charge 1,600 for labor. That's the cost for molding the block. That's the cost of labor. So altogether, we have the 3,000 cedis for the sand, the 4,000 cedis for the cement, then we have 1,600 for the labor cost. So we are going to add 400 cedis for water and other miscellaneous materials that may pop up during the molding of the blocks. So in all, we have 9,000 Ghana cedis. Now, buying blocks from the factory is quite simple. Let's say we want 1,400 blocks and one 5-inch block is going for 8 Ghana cedis. So we multiply the 8 times the 1,400 and we get 11,900. So now let's deduct the 11,900 from the 9,000. We are going to get a whooping 2,900 cedis.